Well, the truck won't start, so now we're gonna have to call my wife and see if she can come give me a hand. I'm out in the middle of the woods. It's gonna get dark pretty soon. Brought some survival gear, but if she can come give me a hand, maybe I can get out of here tonight. So I think I'm gonna have to see if I can give her a call. Hey mamas, hey, I'm out here in the middle of the woods. Can you come pick me up? Well, no, I was getting firewood. Well, no, I needed to, I just broke down. The truck won't start. Well, okay, well, I'll try to make it home before dinner. Thanks. Bye. Hello? Hello? I guess I'm on my own, so I guess I'm gonna have to leave the truck here and just go ahead and hike out of here. This is actually a pretty nice pack that I got in here, and I keep in my truck for emergencies, just such as these. If your wife doesn't pick you up when you need her, well, I guess I better get home. Well, along the way, just in case I don't get home, one needs to be looking for evidence of fire tinder, different things around that you can start a fire with. Stick this in my coat here. Hopefully we can get it to dry out some. Over there's some cedar bark, so I could probably make a tinder bundle out of that. Well guys, the sun's just setting right over there. I don't think I'm going to make it out tonight, so I better find a place to make camp. This looks like a pretty good place, and I got soft ground here. It's wet, but it's soft. Okay, the first thing you want to do is not catch the woods on fire. Right here in the middle of an old road, and so everything should be safe. First thing I'm going to try is my lighter, and it's not a match. So I'm supposed to show you how to build a fire without a match. Huh, it doesn't light. What are we going to do now? Aha, I have an idea. I just happen to have one of these on hand. Do one of those numbers. See if we can get a fire started with that. There's my tinder, got my wood. that don't look like it's going to work very well. Let's see if we can try another trick. We live in rain country, so there's not a whole lot of stuff that's dry out here. So when you come out into one of these wilderness areas, you need to make sure that you have multiple ways of building a fire. So just wanted to caution you on that. So here we go. This is my final life-threatening chance of getting the fire going, because it gets cold here at night. Here we go. So here's some of that tinder I collected along the way. And all you survivalists out there, you're sitting on the edge of your seat. You know, I don't have char cloth. I'm not going to rub two sticks together. That's just nonsense out here. This is how we do it in rain country. Now that's a fire, huh? Hope you learned something. Have a good one.